In today's video, I'm going to show you the updated version of the Loom automation for outreach that I showcased a few months ago on this channel. When I initially showcased it, I got a bunch of people reaching out to me in messages, in emails saying, "Hey Rob, can you show me how to do this? Hey Rob, can you send me this?" And to tell you the truth, I couldn't really because it still had glitches in it. The last flow was a great improvement over the original, but it's still run into these really annoying errors when you thought everything was ironed out. Sometimes it wouldn't click on the right places and all that stuff as well. So basically the flow that you're about to see is completely updated and it seems to run without a hitch. I want to just say that I'm running this with the software called RoboMotion. RoboMotion is an amazing tool that you can basically automate anything that you do in your browser, repetitive tasks on a day-to-day basis. You can probably automate it with RoboMotion. It's almost like you're creating custom automation software. You can automate LinkedIn outreach. You can automate filming of Loom videos. You can automate downloading of your invoices, your receipts from your Gmail inbox. You can do everything automatically. If you can do it on the web, you can do it. I highly recommend this tool. It's absolutely amazing. I'll put a little link down below that. I think it allows you to get a free trial or maybe a bit more flexibility on the free plan that they have. I'm not sure, but click the link below, go on it and download it yourself so you can try it out. It's amazing. Anyway, let's look at the Loom flow itself today and show you exactly how it works. Hey, it's Rob Lally here. Hope you're doing absolutely fantastic. I wanted to shoot this quick video for you for two reasons. Firstly, to show you I am a real human being sat behind a computer screen here who's currently reviewing your website. Hey, I just wanted to jump in here to show you why this automation's so good. As you can see, I can clearly control my mouse as well, which that means basically I can click anywhere on the screen. I can click on tabs, I can click on areas of the website, and this is so good because it allows me to add that tailored element to each of the personalized videos. You see, in prospecting or in outreach, if everything is too automated, you end up getting no response, even though you're sending out a lot of outreach. And the reason why is because people can tell it's automated. However, if you are doing things which are too tailored, really tailored prospecting, you end up getting a better response, but you're not able to reach as many people. So this is kind of the fine balance in the middle of being automated, yet it's letting me actually move my mouse around, click on the video so people can see that I'm actually a real person behind the keyboard. So I'll point out as well, the video's lagging a little bit on this Loom video, and the only reason it's lagging is because I am actually recording the screen and I'm also recording the Loom video, so it's slowing down my computer a little bit. The actual recording itself was perfect, it was pristine. And take care. So now that the video is just finished recording, we can see that it actually finishes it on the flow, then it turns to Loom to upload it there. And the flow is actually programmed so that once it's actually uploaded to Loom, it'll appear in the new screen and it will rename it automatically to whatever the website is or whatever the name of the business is, just so it's easy to find later. Then what will happen is it will come over to the Google Sheets and it will post that Loom link directly into the column which is on the same line as the business name. And then what it'll do is it'll read from that spreadsheet and realize that it needs to go to the next one now, and then it'll just start the whole process up again. Hey, it's Rob Lally here. Hope you're doing absolutely fantastic. I wanted to shoot this quick video for you for two reasons. Firstly, to show you I am a real human being sat behind it. So that's the flow. You can see it works without a hitch. It works brilliantly and it speeds up those boring manual tasks you have to do, such as outreach. Isn't filming a Loom video boring? Sometimes you screw up the words. Sometimes you can't quite say exactly what you want to say or not in the tone you want to say it. You have to start the whole lot over again. This takes out that whole problem. So if you do want this automation, I'd recommend that you reach out to me through LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn page right here. You can come and send me a message, or come to my Instagram page, which is the Rob Lally. That's my handle there, and come and message me on here. I get a lot of different messages and emails per day, so those platforms are probably the best to reach me on to actually get my attention. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe for more content, and take care. See you in the next one.